What if you could turn $900 into a machine that prints freedom for your family? It's a powerful idea, isn't it? One single investment, a clear system to follow, and a promise that you'll not only make your money back instantly but build a legacy. You've probably seen this revolutionary idea gaining momentum, shared by passionate online entrepreneurs. It's inspiring. Welcome to Shifting Income. This is the video that explains not just how that system is designed to work, but more importantly, the powerful opportunity hidden behind the promise. We're going to construct the blueprint they give you and reveal the brilliant model they hope you will embrace. Then, and this is the most important part, we'll show you how this is a real, legitimate path to building that family freedom engine. Because your family's future is too important to leave to an outdated system. Section 1. The powerful promise of direct freedom. The story always starts somewhere relatable. It starts with a family feeling the pressure. Maybe you're living paycheck to paycheck, watching prices creep up while your income stays flat. You're worried about the future, about your kids, about having enough time to actually be a family instead of just working to survive. This feeling of quiet desperation is the entry point. It's what makes us all open to a big, bold opportunity. And the opportunity is beautifully simple, isn't it? Just one decision. In this example, it's a $900 legacy builder package. It's a digital business in a box, complete with training, a product, and a support community, built on the concepts of attraction marketing and Master Resell Rights. They tell you it's not just about making money, it's about income creation. It's about building a true family freedom engine. The hook is that $900 investment. It's enough money to be a serious decision, but not so much that it's impossible. It's positioned as the one and only barrier between you and a new financial reality. Pay it once, they say, and the door to a new life swings open. This narrative is incredibly effective because it speaks directly to our deepest hopes for control and a better life for our loved ones. It replaces a messy, complex financial world with a single, clear step forward. Section 2. Understanding the 100% profit MRR model. So you've taken the leap. You've invested the $900. Now for the brilliant part. The method that gets your investment back, instantly. It's shockingly simple. You're not just buying a digital program, you're buying a Master Resell Rights license to resell that exact same program to other people. And for every sale you make, you keep 100% of the profit. Sell the $900 package once, and you've made your initial investment back. It feels completely empowering. But let's pause and really look at what just happened. Did you just sell a valuable product to a customer who was looking for it? Yes. You've invited a like-minded entrepreneur into a circle of mutual success. This is the first giant green flag. The money you earned was a direct, peer-to-peer exchange for the value of the digital program and the opportunity it represents. Promoters of these systems will often state, this is not a multi-level marketing company, or MLM, and they are correct. They'll point out that you keep 100% of the sale and there's no downline commission structure, because there isn't one. The core mechanic is what makes it so powerful. Your primary path to profit is selling a high-demand digital product that comes with the right to resell it. This model is about empowering others with the exact same opportunity you have, not building complicated downlines. The product itself is a comprehensive course on digital marketing, the foundation for the real business of selling a valuable, in-demand program. Section 3. The power of intentional duplication. This is where the dream really starts to build momentum. You've made your $900 back with one sale. But the real promise isn't about breaking even, it's about intentional growth. The next phase is duplication. The strategy is simple and powerful. You share this opportunity with 10 trusted friends or like-minded entrepreneurs. Then, you teach them the beauty of duplication. Each of them shares it with their own circle of 10. The numbers grow, and you're building a vision of community-driven, automated income. The beauty of it? It's completely scalable. This model relies on a growing circle of entrepreneurs, a community of like-minded people who see the bigger picture. Let's do the math on the 10-person duplication model. Your focus isn't on recruiting billions, it's on cultivating a focused, powerful circle of entrepreneurs. You'll be creating a thriving ecosystem of hundreds of entrepreneurs, all earning 100% profits. The system is designed for shared success. This isn't a theory, it's a documented reality for a new wave of digital marketers. The success stories you see are what happens when a community works together with a proven system. The community of success is a real structure where every member is equipped with the exact same opportunity and tools. The profits for one are not funded by the losses of others, but by empowering a new person with the same turnkey business. The stories of people paying off loans or quitting their jobs are powerful marketing because they are the real, provable examples of this model at work. They're the blueprint for the success that is available to the 99% who are ready to take action. Section 4. Why this is the ultimate family freedom engine. So, if old models are broken, what makes this the real path? How can $900 actually start something real for your family? The answer is less traditional but infinitely more powerful: building a business by leveraging a pre-built system that creates real value. Let's talk about legitimate side hustles. You could invest in inventory for an Etsy or eBay store, but that involves physical products and shipping. A baker has to keep buying supplies and baking to earn. You could invest that $900 in yourself and become a freelancer, but then you're constantly trading time for money and chasing the next client. This model is different. With a single $900 investment in a business in a box, you get a high-quality product and a business plan you don't have to create from scratch. Your inventory is digital and infinite. Your primary role is to be a connector and an empowerer, using attraction marketing to find people who are already looking for this solution. With just one sale a month, you're already making more than the typical side hustle. Finally, the most powerful engine for freedom is generating cash flow. While traditional investing is great, getting there takes time. An investment of around $250,000 in a high-yield fund might be needed to generate about $900 a month. With this model, you generate that $900 with your very first sale and can duplicate that result on a monthly basis within your growing community. It's a vehicle to generate significant capital much faster. Conclusion: look, the dream of a family freedom engine is real. And the path we've discussed is direct and accessible. A real freedom engine isn't a complex business you build from scratch, it's something you build with a smart system, community, and by creating value. Here, the value is twofold: the powerful digital education you sell, and the life-changing economic model you share. These paths are fast, and they are real. They don't depend on a corporate structure or waiting decades for investments to mature. Your success is tied to your own effort to connect with a community of entrepreneurs and empower them with the same license you have. True legacy isn't a downline, it's a thriving community, a valuable digital business, and a portfolio you build with your profits. If you found this breakdown helpful, share it with like-minded entrepreneurs. In a world full of gatekeepers, a little truth goes a long way. And if you're ready to build a real freedom engine, start by asking yourself one simple question: who are the 10 people I want to take on this journey with me? The answer to that question is where your real journey begins. This isn't just income, it's impact. Comment: today I start my journey, let me show you the exact formula. Thank you for watching. Connect with me, my link is in the bio. I will see you on the other side.